just getting into product management? Well, this is just the video you need to brush up on your skills before you start looking for that product management job. Stay tuned.
In audio.
Product managers needs to be constantly upgrading their product management skills to stay competitive when job searching or when looking to move up within their organizations, their companies, or their startups. Well, I will tell you the top soft skills employers are looking for in 2022 in product management roles. Well, point number one is critical thinking and analytical skills. This is a must have for any product manager. Product managers must be able to analyze information and data and provide actionable insights to their teams. This helps them to ensure products provide sufficient value to both the business and their customers. Decision making and strategic thinking are daily responsibilities for product managers. Product managers need to be able to cut through the very heart of documentation in order to make decisions quickly. Well, the tip on how you can learn them: if you're a current product manager, take action and go through your prior communications you have sent to your team. Look for places where you could have been more succinct or clear. Well, if you're a new product manager, practice this skill in your everyday life. Spend time reflecting on your past experiences and practice active listening when speaking with others. Well, skill number two: leadership and the ability to take initiative. As with any management position, leadership skills are important for supporting and motivating your team. For product managers, leadership skills need to work in tandem with an initiative to get products into development and to meet deadlines. This means that the best product managers also possess some project management skills in order to see products through product development to product launch stage, right? Also, product managers often have to lead cross-functional teams that they might include, representatives from development team, product team, engineering team, marketing team, sales team, and other teams. Leadership is important in getting all team members on the same page and working towards the same goal. Well, the tip on how to learn it is: if you are a current product manager, you should look for opportunities within your team and organization for you to take on a leadership role. Maybe you can start a social group at your company or lead a training session. Well, if you're a new product manager, put examples of prior leadership roles on your resume. And if you don't have any, start volunteering for them. Try searching for organizations in your area that are looking for help. Well, soft skill number three: flexibility. Priorities can change daily in the world of product management. Product managers need to have prioritization skills and must be able to keep up with the changes in their business and in the competitive landscape. They have to stay flexible to ensure products are developed and launched in a timely and efficient manner. Now, a crucial part of this is managing prioritization. Well, as a tip, how can you learn it? If you're a current product manager, keep in mind that the customer and the business comes first, and be sure not to let your own self-interest cloud your judgment. We all want our projects to get delivered on time, but there are times when you need to allow for another group's priorities to take precedence. Now, if you're a new product manager, keep up with the ever changing product management space by following different kind of blogs that you have online, and be sure to keep your potential customers at the top of your mind. Well, soft skill number four that you need to have is problem solving. At the core, products are intended to solve problems, right? For a business or for a specific type of a customer. Great product managers need to create products that fundamentally achieve this. A problem solving mindset is a key part of creating and brainstorming product ideas in a product management role, right? Now, how can you learn this? If you're a current product manager, be sure to empathize with your customers when brainstorming new ideas for products. Their problems should be the driving force behind your decision making, right? If you're a new product manager, when solving a problem, even in your everyday life, it's important to clearly define the problem so that you can properly focus on a solution. Even if it sounds silly, Try saying the problem out loud. Well, soft skill number 5 is time management. Product managers are constantly splitting their time between different products and projects, as well as always adjusting to shifting priorities. Time management skills help product managers juggle everything on their plate while still completing tasks efficiently and pushing products through to launch. Time management skills can always be improved upon as you learn what works best for you. Well, if you are a current product manager, the tip is to discuss time management best practices with all of your stakeholders so that your team has a voice in scheduling and delivering tasks on time. If you're a new product manager, practice your time management skills by setting weekly or daily priorities and block out time in your day to get, your priorities accomplished. Soft skill number 6 is communication skills. This skill is essential for product managers, right? Proper communication skills, including written and spoken communication, ensures that the product manager can effectively communicate with and lead their team to get successful products launched on time and on budget. Product managers also need to be able to communicate to stakeholders outside of their team, particularly when reporting to product success or opportunities for improvement. Now, how you can learn this, right? The tip is for current product managers, ask for feedback on your communication with your team members, right? And identifies areas where you can improve. Certain stakeholders prefer certain form of communication, so be sure to take that into account. Whereas if you're a new product manager, try practice public speaking whenever possible so that you can develop confidence in communicating with people you do not know personally. Well, these were the 6 top soft skills that companies are looking for in 2022. For more such videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so that more videos on product management can reach to you from us. Thank you.